Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to disable vibration for all WhatsApp chats. If you're tired of your phone buzzing every time you receive a message, follow along to enjoy a more peaceful messaging experience. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots. Tap on them to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Next, tap on Notifications. Here you'll find all the options related to how WhatsApp alerts you about new messages. Scroll down until you reach the Messages section. Within this section, locate the Vibrate option and tap on it. A small menu will appear with different vibration settings. To completely turn off vibrations for WhatsApp messages, select Off. Once you've made your selection, tap OK to confirm, and that's it. You've successfully disabled vibration for all WhatsApp chats. From now on, your phone will no longer buzz whenever a message arrives, allowing you to stay connected without unnecessary interruptions. Thank you for tuning in. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful.